Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2023 model Hyundai Palisade, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 12,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintain, imported unit, downhill assist, traction control, 360 drive assist sensors, lane keeping assist, smart keyless entry, push start, run flat tires, upgraded mags, power tailgate, parking sensors, complete set of tools jack and spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free detailing, cash price, 2,778,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 657,000 pesos plus, chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Subaru WRX Eyesight, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 48,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, all-wheel drive, casa maintain, touchscreen monitor, premium leather seats, central locking system, complete set of tools jack and spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free detailing, cash price, 1,258,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 233,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2023 model Mazda BT50 Pangolin 2, 3-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 25,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, casa maintained with records, 5-year free PMS, plate ending 3, under dealer warranty, leather seats, touchscreen display, new mudguard, new crossbar with awning tent, new rain visor, with Hypotec deep dish mattings, with sports bar, with rear bed cover, complete set of tools jack and spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free detailing, cash price, 1,408,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 416,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Toyota Innova E, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 41,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, SRS airbag, plate ending 3, central locking system, reverse camera and sensor, dual aircon, 7-seater, fog lights, backup sensor, all stock, complete set of tools jack and spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free detailing, cash price, 918,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 225,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Honda Civic E, 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 56,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, CASA maintained with full CASA records, push start, leather seats, plate ending 3, steering wheel controls, upgraded tires and mags, upgraded body kits, upgraded rims, backup camera, central locking system, original spare key, all stock, complete set of tools, jack and spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free detailing, cash price, 848,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 220,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2022 model Geely Okavango Urban Plus, top of the line, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 13,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, CASA maintained, ending plate 8, 7-seater, push start engine, panoramic sunroof, power seats, leather seats, 360 camera, cruise control, keyless entry, automatic tailgate, original spare key, owner's manual, service booklet, complete set of tools, jack at spare tire, free transfer of ownership, free detailing, cash price, 938,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 218,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. For inquiries, unit viewing, and reservation, please contact JC 0966706170. Viber and WhatsApp ready. Operating hours, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Located at 6th floor Valero Car Park 2 Makati City. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.